This beautiful gentleman just put me on. He said it's fentanyl. See, I know about fentanyl beans. This is a flower. It tastes like mint. It's so delicious. Oh my gosh. Wow. Shout out to him. Thank you for that.
Sure.
Wow. I'm a chef as well. I love that. Thank you. You can learn something from everybody, man.
That's true.
Look at him.
Pickled beets.
Pickled beets.
Yeah.
Gosh, hey.
That'll be on this one right here.
On this thing.
Pickled beets, goat cheese.